All simplified loader templates contain the About sheet. The About sheet has the master list of the fields allowed to be used in the data sheet. The master list of fields in the About sheet is derived from the list of fields supported by Oracle. Column C contains all the fields supported by Oracle. Each field name listed in the About sheet is assigned to a section. In this example, fields header invoice number, header invoice date, header invoice supplier, and so on are assigned to the header section. If I scroll down, I will see the other sections supported by this template, like the lines section. The fields associated with the lines section are line number, line amount, line description, and so on. The purpose of the About sheet is to inform users of possible fields supported by the template, so that users can utilize the fields in the data sheet. By default, the About sheet is locked. Users are not allowed to update the field name, section name, or relevant flag.